Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to pack up my black Petals Hobo bee. It's going to be packed up for 2 kids because I'm going to go and pick them up from school, and then we've got a few things that we have to do. So I'm going to be using Butterfly Forest with it. This is one of my favourite prints. Next to Sakura Swirl, I think this has to be my favourite. I love this print. It is so nice. I know this wasn't the most popular print out of the 3 that got released, but it's definitely my favourite. I love it. So here is my black Petals Hobo bee, and I thought I would use it with this. I know it's going to be very dark in there, but I think they look pretty good together. So this I'm actually going to put along the bottom here. Oh, and this just has a wet bag and a change of clothes, some toilet toppers and that kind of stuff in there. So it doesn't matter if that gets squashed at all. So I'm just going to sit that along the bottom. And then over in the back mesh pocket here, I'm going to put some tissues, my lip balm, and just some little toothpicks. I'm not going to use this back zipper pocket. I don't use it that often. I could put the change of clothes in there, I guess, if I wanted to, but I like using set pieces. So yeah, so they're staying in a set piece. So I also have the small set piece in the Butterfly Forest, and that has the charger stuff for my phone. So I'm just going to put that into that back pocket right there. And then I have a large set piece, and this is just full of snacks, because when I pick my kids up, they are going to be like starving and wanting to snack. So I always try and keep this pretty full. So I'm going to sit that kind of on top of that set piece, kind of down there. And then I have, what else do I have? Oh, I have a Black Lightning medium set piece, and this is just my med kit. So I'm just going to put this in here too. Now I have bought off the BST a couple of custom med kits made by Zippity So Custom. One is in the Sakura Dusk, and the other is in the what is it called? Is it Whimsical Whisper? I don't know, the other floral one, I forget. It's kind of not my favourite print, that florally one, but I thought I'd get something in it. And then I'm just going to put a water bottle down that side, and another one down that side. You guys know I've said before, I really don't like putting water bottles in the side pockets. And then I have a little snack for me. I'm like addicted to these mini eggs, so I'm just going to put those in there. And then over in the back, I'm just going to throw some wipes in there. We use these all the time for sticky fingers and that kind of stuff. There should be enough room in this cell phone pocket for my phone. It's an 8+ with an OtterBox, and it usually does fit in there if it's not too packed. If it won't fit in there, then I will put it in the side pocket. I'm going to put my Be Rich wallet in the front here. It doesn't match, but I really don't have time to change it. So I'm going to put that in there, and my little coin purse with coins back there. So close that up, and yeah, it might be a bit tight in there for my cell phone today, so that'll probably just go into one of these pockets. And then I do have the seatbelt strap on here. This seatbelt strap is a little bit longer than the strap that the Hobo bee comes with. I'm about 5'4", and I find that the strap that the Hobo bee comes with is not that comfortable if I want to wear it crossbody. It's okay in the summer if I'm just wearing a t-shirt, but when I'm wearing a winter coat, it just doesn't sit right. So if I put this at its longest, this one is fine, and I can make it shorter too if I just want to carry it over my shoulder. So yeah, that's how I'm going to be using my bag today, the Black Petals Hobo bee. Another print that I actually really do like. I really like this one. I tend to go more for the darker coloured prints a lot, apart from Sakura Swirl. I mean, that you can't get much lighter than that one, but I absolutely love that print. So anyway, hope you like this video, and thanks for watching.